All right there? It's time for another look at another part of the Q Acoustics loudspeaker range, and today it's the Concept 20 stand mounters. It may not be obvious from the size of the box, but the Concept 20s are among Q Acoustics' larger stand mounters. They're among Q Acoustics' more award-winning stand mounters as well, and they're among Q Acoustics' most groundbreaking loudspeakers, and that's saying something. Today we're going to be unboxing a pair of white Concept 20s. They're also available in black, but we thought we'd have a look at the white ones because, you know, I like to show how very clean my fingers are. So, what's inside? Concept 20s are, as I say, from higher up Q Acoustics model range, and so you can expect superior driver quality, a bigger cabinet, a nicer finish than the more affordable stuff. Let's have a look and find out. Port bungs should never be without polystyrene, and count them, two loudspeakers. Right, let's have a look inside. Now, it's a shame actually, having unboxed these speakers, that we can't unbox them further, because one of the brilliant things about Concept 20s is that they have a second wall inside the outside cabinet wall. Those two walls are separated by a sort of layer of gel which absorbs unwanted energy from inside and turns it into heat. It's brilliantly innovative and it works brilliantly well, but at this point you're going to have to take my word for it. So, grill off, one of the tags that point out one of the very many awards that the Concept 20s have won. And you can see up front, there's a larger tweeter this time. This is 25mm and a 125mm mid bass driver. Whole cabinet is a really pleasant gloss finish. It's really smooth, it's really shiny, it's beautifully curved, and it's obviously a quality item. Concept 20s, of course, are configured to be bi-wireable. And that is preferable for reasons that you can find out all about on the Q Acoustics website. All that you need to do is undo the binding posts to the extent that you can take out the two jumper bars that are joining the two positive and the two negative terminals together, and wind them back up again. Here we have some QED XT25 bi-wire. This speaker was voiced using this cable. This cable's very high performance and very affordable, so you could do a lot worse when you come to bi-wire your Concept 20s, but it's a very straightforward exercise. You have two red-ended terminals, two black-ended terminals, and they just need connected like so. So the brief advantage of this is that the tweeter and the mid-bass driver are receiving their information along separate lengths of cable. You keep that frequency information as separate as possible. In theory, and quite often in practice, you should get a more open, a better staged, and a more focused sound. Of course, every stand mounting speaker needs to be decoupled from its stand. There are 3 holes in the bottom of the Concept 20 cabinet. There are 6 rubber feet in the packaging so that you can decouple the speaker from the top plate of the stand it's on. Q Acoustics actually build a bespoke stand for the Concept 20s. It's a perfect match sonically, it's a perfect match aesthetically, and you can find out about the stands and more about the Concept 20 on the Q Acoustics website.